Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to another video. I'm whispering because y'all, I literally just woke up, and yeah. Anyways, y'all, so today I'm gonna be getting ready, and I'm like, why not just get ready on here with y'all? So I'm gonna do light makeup, something not too crazy. I'm getting ready for church, and it's 9:30 and I'm trying to be done by 10 o'clock, so let's see how that goes. Anyways, I'm just putting everything out that I might need. First I want to do my edges. I did moisturize my hair yesterday, so I don't want to spray them. I might spray them a little bit, I'm not sure yet, but I don't want to spray them too much because, you know, I have the 2-strand pattern and I'm going to remove them. And if I spray them and then remove them right away, because, you know, they are the double strand, the curl pattern might, you know, might not last for too long. So I'm just gonna do my edges just so I can like tie them down.
I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this good and in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this good and in the song. Alright.
I have this dress, this one, or this one. It's the little details, y'all. It's the little details. And then it has a little slit on the side. Like, so which one y'all think?
What's the next one? What's the other one?
This one. It's a little detail in the side, girl. It's cute. It's
Where's
cute.
the other one?
I see that. This one. Oh,
It's giving.
Passive life. But hey y'all, so this is the dress I decided to put. Actually, I was gonna try this on to see how it looks like, and if I don't like it, I would put on the other dress. But since I like it, and it was a struggle to put it on because of this neck. It was a struggle to put on, so I know it was gonna be hard to remove too. So I just left it on. It's still cute. It's giving cute. And it has like these little gold buttons or whatever on the side. There's also a little thing right here, a little split right there. This is she. And then I have on, hold on. I have on my gold shoes. And then, ooh, where's my handbag? And I'm gonna also wear my gold handbag. This one right here. This one right here. Period. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is it, you guys. My hair turned out so cute. My makeup turned out so cute, you guys. I did this in like 15 minutes, y'all. Like no foundation. Like looks so cute. Hair is even cuter. But anyways, yeah. Ooh, scent of the day. So which scent of the day? I think I'm gonna put on the ebony with the YSL. This is a really nice mixture, combination. I don't know how the girlies be saying it, but we're gonna put on some. Okay, I'm gonna put some YSL. Oh yeah. So the watch we're gonna put on today is my GRWM. Hold on. What is it called? I don't know. My GRWM watch. Okay, so. Okay. I put on lotion already, but I'm already a little ashy, so I'm gonna put some body oil, moisturizing body oil, especially on my elbows. Then we're gonna put some on my legs, just so you know I can get that extra shine on my legs. Yo, my nails look so crazy. y'all. And I put on my ring. All right, y'all, so we are done. I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully I take some pictures. Actually, I'm gonna take some pictures right now just in case I forget. So thank you guys for tuning in, and let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.